Dirt Monkey Shop is widely recognized as one of the most reliable and comprehensive online destinations for high-quality tools, equipment, and gear designed specifically for professionals, tradespeople, outdoor enthusiasts, and DIYers who demand durability, functionality, and performance. The shop offers an extensive and carefully curated selection of products ranging from rugged hand tools, heavy-duty work gear, and specialty landscaping equipment to practical accessories that make everyday tasks safer and more efficient. Every item available through Dirt Monkey Shop is chosen with a focus on quality and long-term usability, ensuring that customers invest in products that will withstand the toughest work environments. Beyond their exceptional product offerings, Dirt Monkey Shop has cultivated a vibrant and engaged online community through platforms like YouTube and Instagram, where millions of subscribers and followers access tutorials, product reviews, demonstrations, and practical tips that help them get the most out of their purchases. Customers consistently highlight not only the quality of the products, but also the company's commitment to transparency, excellent customer service, and responsive communication, making the shopping experience seamless and trustworthy. Whether you are a professional landscaper, contractor, property maintenance worker, or a passionate DIYer, Dirt Monkey Shop provides the tools, guidance, and inspiration needed to tackle projects efficiently, safely, and confidently. The combination of superior products, knowledgeable support, and a thriving community makes Dirt Monkey Shop more than just an online store. It is a trusted partner for anyone serious about their craft, helping users achieve better results, save time, and enjoy the satisfaction of working with dependable, high-performance tools. With their unwavering dedication to quality, customer satisfaction, and community engagement, Dirt Monkey Shop has rightfully earned its reputation as a go-to destination for professionals and hobbyists alike who value reliability, innovation, and excellence in every purchase.